Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your Facebook professional. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your Facebook profile. Now click on three dots. Here you can see the option of turn on professional mode. Press on this. If you want to make your Facebook profile professional, then you have to press on this turn on. That's it. So this is how you can make your Facebook professional. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.